Hi, my dear students. Good morning to all. This is Kritika. I am handling 10th standard maths. I hope you and your family members are safe at home. Before entering into the session, I just want to share the motivational quotes. Wake up and be awesome. You are so strong. Every day is a second change. Always believe in yourself. Let's start the session. Example 1.18. If the function f from R to R is defined by f of x equal to set of 2x plus 7, x less than minus 2, x square minus 2, minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 3, 3x minus 2, x greater than or equal to 3. Then find the values of first subdivision f of 4, second one f of minus 2, third one f of 4 plus 2 into f of 1, fourth one f of 1 minus 3 into f of 4 divided by f of minus 3. Here the given function is f from R to R, and also defined by the f of function is, in previous sum we have seen f of x have the single expression, that is single linear expressions we have. Here we have three expression. According to the given alone we want to find. Here x less than minus 2. We know that integers. So integers means what? That is the negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. So here we have a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. like that. In this side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. Here first we have to see x less than minus 2. So less than minus 2 means we want to check what is that. Less than minus 2 means we have a, so for minus 2 is here. Less than minus 2 means it will be, that is minus 3, minus 4, that is the alone less than value for the minus 2. So it will be going on for the 2x plus 7. Up to that we have to take the values for 2x plus 7. Then here minus 2 less than or equal to. So equal means we have to take minus 2 up to what? Minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 3. Less than 3 means before 3, that is less than. So according to that we have to take minus 2. Here we have a minus 2 is less than alone. In previous we didn't have a equal sign. So don't take the minus 2 for 2x plus 7. For what we have to take? That is for the second value alone, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. For this expression, that is x square minus 2. Here we have x greater than or equal to 3. That means 3 after greater than numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. So this is for 3x minus 2. Again I have repeat you, for this we given 3 equations are there, that is 2 linear equation and also 1 quadratic expression is there. So for that the given defined as x less than minus 2. நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க, மைனஸ் நெகட்டிவ் வேல்யூஸ் அப்படின்னாவே it will be going less than. So minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. If it is compared with minus 3 and minus 2 means which one is greater means minus 2 is greater. Minus 3 is less than to minus 2. So like that. So here we have to take minus 3, minus 4 for value 2x plus 7. Then for the expression x squared minus 2. For that here we have minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 3. That means minus 2 is included. Up to that what? Before previous, because less than alone given, less than or equal to here not given. So don't take the 3. So here we have minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. According these 5 value, we want to substitute x square minus 2. For next one is x less greater than or equal to 3. Like that means equal means we have to take the 3 also. Greater than means greater values. So 3, 4, 5, 6 and all. For the third expression, that is 3x minus 2. So from that we want to find the functions, that is f of 4, f of minus 2, like the third one and fourth one. So first of all, we want to find the first value, that is f of 4. So f of 4 means we want to take which expression? So here we have a 4, positive 4. So positive 4 means where? This side. So positive 4 is there. So the expression is 3x minus 2. So here the f of x is 3x minus 2. So in place of x, you have to substitute 4. So f of 4 equal to 3 into x. So 3 into 4 minus 2. So 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 2, we get 10. So the value for f of 4 is 10. Then we want to move on to the second subdivision. So second one is f of minus 2. So f of minus 2 means we want to take that f of x, that is second expression, because they are given less than or equal to. So minus 2 is there. So x square minus 2, that is the for the minus 2 value. So f of minus 2 we want to find. So in place of x, minus 2 the whole square, because for the x minus 2 is there. Minus also we have the power. 2 also we have a power, minus 2. So that means minus 2 the whole square means minus 2 into minus 2. So minus into minus, plus 2 2s are 4. So 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. So f of minus 2 equal to 2. Like that we want to find the third subdivision. So third subdivision, f of 4 plus 2 into f of 1. In first subdivision itself, we find that f of 4 value. So we have to take f of 4 as 10. No need to find again and again. Then 2 into f of 1. So here we want to find the f of 1. So f of 1 means we want to check that f of x. So in which lies between that second expression, that is x squared minus 2, because minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 is there. So here we have to find that f of 1. So here the expression is f of x equal to x square minus 2. So now in place of x, you have to substitute 1. So 1 square minus 2. So 1 square means 1 into 1, 1 minus 2. Here we want to subtract. So here which one is greater? 2 is greater. So the sign is minus. So 2 minus 2 plus 1 means we get 1. So f of 1 equal to minus 1. So here we have another one is, that is addition for the both values. So f of 4 plus 2 into f of 1. Here we find f of 4. So 10 plus 2 into minus 1. So now 10. So plus into minus, minus 2 ones are 2. So 10 minus 2 we get 8. So f of 4 plus 2 into f of 1 equal to 8. Then we want to move on to the fourth subdivision. Here we have three functions are there, f of 1, f of 4, f of minus 3. F of 1 we find in the third subdivision. So here as it is take f of 1 equal to minus 1. F of 4 we find in the first subdivision, that is f of 4 equal to 10. We want to find the f of minus 3. So for that minus 3 means we want to take which one is the expression for f of x. So minus 3, that is in the first expression, because that is less than minus 2. So we have to take that minus 3, minus 4 like that. So here the value is 2x plus 1. So in place of x, you have to substitute minus 3, that is equal to 2 into minus 3 plus 7. First of all, you have to multiply the sign. Plus into minus, minus. 2 3s are 6 plus 7. So 7 minus 6 we get 1. So f of minus 3 equal to 1. Now we want to substitute in the given question, that is f of 1 minus 3 into f of 4 divided by f of minus 3. So that is equal to f of 1 is minus 1 Here minus sign is there. 3 into 10 divided by 1. So minus 1 as it is you have to write. First of all you have to multiple, then alone you have to subtract. So here we have a minus into plus, minus. So 3 tens are 30 divided by 1. So minus 1 minus 30 both are same sign. So just you have to write the sign and just you have to add the number. So 30 plus 1, 31 divided by 1 means we get same value 31. So the answer is f of 1 minus 3 into f of 4 divided by f of minus 3 equal to minus 31. Exercise 1.4, 8th question. Let A equal to set of minus 1, 1 and B equal to set of 0, 2 if the function f from A to B defined by f of x equal to ax plus b is an onto function. Find A and B. Here the condition is f from A to B. So A to B means A is considered as x and B is considered as f of x. So here the given set also the given. So A equal to set of minus 1, 1 and B equal to set of 0, 2. Here the defined function is f of x equal to ax plus b is an onto function. Onto function means codomain and range must be equal. So likewise we have to take here. So these alone the values. So here we have to consider that arrow diagram means A and B set. So minus 1, 1, 0, 2. If you substitute means for that we have the consideration for minus 1 we have 0, 1 we have the take as 2. If it is possible means we have find that A and B. If it is not workable means for minus 1 that is not 0 means we have to again do that minus 1, 2 and 1, 0. So if it is possible means it is enough. This is assumption alone. So now we want to substitute. So already I have said for A we have take as x and B we have to take f of x. So for minus 1, 0, first you have to substitute and make the equation. So minus 1, 0, this is x, this is f of x. Now you have to substitute 0 equal to A into x is minus 1 plus B. So 0 equal to plus into minus minus A plus B, because 1 into A like that you have to write 1A or A, that is both are correct alone. This is considered as first equation. Then we want to substitute the second pair, that is 1, 2. So like that x, f of x. So here 1 equal to A into 1 plus B. So 1 equal to 1 into A, that is A plus B. So this is considered as second equation. By solving the first and second equation, we get A and B value because we want to remove any one variable. So see that here minus A, here plus A. If it is cancel because minus A plus A means we get 0. So now just you have to add. So 1 plus 2, because suppose இந்த இடத்துல வந்து A இங்கேயும் A இங்கே B இங்கே B அப்படி இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா you have to take as subtraction because we want to take only one cancellation for the one variable. So here just you have to add. So that is what 0 equal to minus A plus B. Here 1 equal to A plus B. So here just you have to add. So 0 plus 1, 1. Equal to minus A plus A means it will be cancelled. So plus, here we have a 1. Here also we have a 1. So 1 plus 1 we get 2B. So like that we have to take. Sorry, here you have to substitute 2. So by mistake I have write 1. So 2. So now we want to find the B value. So then 2B equal to 2 we get. So it is in multiplication. It will become this sign means divide. So B equal to 2 by 2 it is cancelled by the 2 table. 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2. So 1 by 1 means we get 1. Now you have to substitute in any one equation, that is first equation or second equation. So substitute b equal to 1. Now here I have substitute in first equation, that is the first equation is minus a plus b equal to 0. So in place of b you have to substitute 1. So minus a plus 1 equal to 0. Plus 1 it will be move on to the right hand side means minus 1. So minus a equal to minus 1. So both the sides are negative. So it will be cancelled because of the equal sign. So a equal to 1. So here we find for the a and b. So the values are a equal to 1 and b equal to 1. Ninth question. If the function f is defined by f of x equal to x plus 2, x greater than 1, 2 minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, x minus 1 minus 3 less than x less than minus 1. So find the values of first one f of 3, f of 0, f of minus 1.5, last one f of 2 plus f of minus 2. So first of all we want to know the numbers. So here greater than 1. So greater than 1 means, so we want to take after 1. So because here there is equal sign is not there, so we won't take that 1. So here the values is 2, 3, 4, 5 etc. ஸோ சப்போஸ் இந்த இடத்துல கிரேட்டர் தென் ஈக்குவல் டு அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருந்தாங்கன்னா 1ஐ நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணியிருப்போம். ஸோ அதனால் இது கன்சிடரேஷனில் வராது. தென் ஹியர் minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. So both the sides equal sign is there. So we have to take up to that. So minus 1, 0, 1. So totally 3 values alone for the second one. Then here we have minus 3 less than x less than minus 1. So if you take means minus 3 less than means we have to take minus 2, because here in left side if you have the symbol means it will be changed into, you have to read. So suppose if you have like that means x greater than minus 3, இப்படி ரிவர்ஸில் நீங்கள் ரீட் பண்ணீங்க அப்படின்னா அந்த சிம்பிள் சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். ஸோ எக்ஸ் greater than minus 3. So minus 3 விட greater than அப்படின்னா minus 3 minus 2 like that. Sorry, minus 2 minus 1 like that, because here there is no equal sign. So minus 2. Here we have a minus 1. So minus 1 before values are what we have in between we have the numbers, because here we have a minus 1.5 is there. So here we have a minus 1.5 also in this point values, because in between we have the decimal numbers also. So for the first subdivision we want to find f of 3. So 3 is in the first one, that is f of x. So f of x equal to x plus 2. In place of x you have to substitute 3. So 3 equal to 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. So f of 3 equal to 5. Then we want to find the second one, that is f of 0. 0, that is in the second one. So for the second one f of x equal to 2. So like that means f of 0 equal to, here there is no x value means you have to write that same number. So 2. So f of 0 equal to 2. Then third subdivision f of minus 1.5. So 1.5 I have recall you அங்கே in betweenல இருக்க நம்பர்ஸில் டெசிமல் நம்பர்ஸுமே இன்க்ளூடட் அப் டு தட். இப்போ minus 2லேருந்து minus 1 லெஸ் தென் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா உள்ளுக்குள்ளே இருக்க எல்லா வேல்யூஸுமே வரும். அதாவது என்னது minus 1.9, minus 1.8, minus 1.7, 1.5, 1.4, 1.3, 1.2. All the numbers are included in this in between values, because all the ones are real numbers. So here we want to take that third expression, that is f of x equal to x minus 1. So f of minus 1.5 equal to minus 1.5 minus 1. So both the signs are equal, so minus. So here we have to add 1.5. This is whole number. So you have to write in the whole number position. So here you have to add 2.5. Here there is no number means decimal point. After that we have to write 0. So the value is 2.5. So f of minus 1.5 equal to minus 2.5. Then we want to move on to the fourth subdivision. Then fourth one, f of 2 plus f of minus 2. For the previous subdivision, we didn't find any values for f of 2 and f of minus 2. So here we want to both the values. So f of 2, first of all, we want to find means 2 is in the, that is for the first expression, because 2, 3, 4, 5. So f of x is x plus 2. So f of 2 equal to 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. So f of 2 we find, that is 4. Likewise, f of minus 2 we want to find. So for that f of x will be changed. Here f of minus 2, that is in the third position. So the expression is x minus 1. So f of minus 2 equal to minus 2 minus 1. So that is equal to, both the signs are equal. So minus, then 2 plus 1, 3. Then we want to, in between we have a plus sign. So here we want to substitute. So f of 2 plus f of minus 2, that is equal to f of 2 we find 4 plus f of minus 2, that is minus 3. So here the sign changed. So here you have to multiple. So 4 plus or minus minus 3. So 4 minus 3 we get 1. So for the fourth subdivision we get the answer, that is 1. So again I have repeat you, because first of all you have to find that இந்த இடத்துல நமக்கு வந்து எந்த நம்பர் என்ன இருக்கு அப்படிங்கறத நம்ம தெரிஞ்சிக்கிட்டா மட்டும்தான் for the function we have to substitute. So don't forget to find that which one is greater than equal to கொடுத்திருக்காங்களா, less than or equal to கொடுத்திருக்காங்களான்னு செக் பண்ணிட்டு அந்த நம்பர்ஸை போடணும். 10th question, a function f from minus 5, 9 to r is defined as follows. F of x equal to set of 6x plus 1, minus 5 less than or equal to x less than 2, 2 less than or equal to x less than 6, then 3x minus 4, 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9. Here also the given 3 expressions are there. Then we want to find the 4 subdivisions. So first of all we want to write that which are the numbers in between we have lies between for this equation or expression. Here the function is already given minus 5, 9. That means the starting number is minus 5, ending number is 9. Up to that alone the given between lies these two, these. So here we have minus 5 less than or equal to x less than 2. Like that means we have to take less than or equal to means minus 5 included. Then we want to write that values minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, 0, 1. Here we have a less than 2. Less than 2 means we can't take that 2 because here there is no equal sign. So for the first expression these are the values. For the second expression here we have a 2 less than or equal to x less than 6. That means 2 here we have to take. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 we want to check because less than or equal means we have to take. Here there is no equal sign, so don't take that 6. Then here we have a 6 less than or equal to x less than x less than or equal to 9. So here we have to take 6 up to 9. So 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we have a equal sign, so you have to write. Now we want to find that functions. So for the first subdivision, that is f of minus 3 plus f of 2. So here we want to find that both a function f of minus 3. So f of minus 3 means 3 minus 3 is here. So we want to take that first f of x. So for f of x equal to 6x plus 1. So we want to find f of minus 3. In place of x, you have to substitute minus 3. So 6 into minus 3 plus 1. So plus into minus, minus 6 3s are 18 plus 1. Here we want to subtract. Here 18 is bigger one. So then a sign is minus. So if you subtract means we get 17. So f of minus 3 equal to minus 17. Here we have a f of 2. So f of 2 is in the second expression, that is f of x equal to 5x squared minus 1. So f of 2 equal to 5 into here x squared. So that means 2 squared minus 1. So first of all finish the degree. So 2 squared means 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4 minus 1. So 5 4s are 20. 20 minus 1 we get 19. So f of 2 equal to 19. Now we want to substitute in the expression. So here itself I have do. You have to write down. So here we have a f of minus 3 plus f of 2. So f of minus 3 we find minus 17 plus f of 2 we find 19. So here we want to subtract. So subtract means 19 is the greater one. So positive sign. So 19 minus 17 means we get 2. So the value for minus f of minus 3 plus f of 2 equal to 2. Second subdivision, f of 7 minus f of 1. So f of 7, that is we find for the third expression. So f of x equal to 3x minus 4. So here we want to substitute 7. So f of 7 equal to 3 into 7 minus 4. So 3 7s are 21 minus 4. If you subtract means we get the value, that is 17. So f of 7 equal to 17. Then we want to find the f of 1. So that is in the first expression. So f of x equal to 6x plus 1. So f of 1 we want to find. In place of x you have to substitute 1. So 6 into 1 plus 1. 6 ones are 6 plus 1 we get 7. So f of 1 equal to 7. Now we want to substitute in the expression, that is f of 7 minus f of 1 equal to 17 minus 7. So here we have to substitute means we get 10. Then we want to write that f of 7 minus f of 1 equal to 10. Third subdivision, into f of 4 plus f of 8. So here we want to find the f of 4. So for that f of x equal to, that is in the second one, that is f of x squared minus 1. So in place of x we have to substitute 4, that is equal to 5 into 4 square minus 1. So here we have to use the into or otherwise use the bracket. So 4 square means 4 into 4. So 4 4s are 16. So 5 into 16 minus 1. So 5 into 16, if you know the table means you have to write straightly or otherwise you have to multiple here in the rough work. So 16 5s are 80. 80 minus 1. So 80 minus 1 we get 79. So f of 4 equal to 79. Then we want to find the f of 8. So f of 8, so f of x we want to write, that is in the third, 3x minus 4. So f of 8 equal to 3 into 8 minus 4. So 8 3s are 24 minus 4, that 24 minus 4 we get 20. So f of 8 equal to 20. Now we have to substitute in the third subdivision, that is 2 f of 4 plus f of 8. So here in between we have a multiplication. So 2 into 79 then plus 20. Now we want to multiple. So this is the bigger number. If you know means you have to write straightly or otherwise in rough column you have to multiple. So 9 2s are 18, balance 1. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 1, 15. So 158 plus 20. So if you add means 158 plus 20. So add means 8, 7, 1. So 178. So for the third subdivision, so 2 into f of 4 plus f of 8 equal to, the answer is 178. Fourth subdivision, 2 into f of minus 2 minus f of 6 divided by f of 4 plus f of minus 2. Here f of minus 2 in both numerator and also denominator, you have to find only one time. F of 4 already we have find for in the third subdivision. So f of 4 value is 79. Then we want to find f of 6 also. So first of all we want to find f of minus 2. So f of minus 2, that is, we want to find the x, that is f of x, that is in the first expression 6x plus 1. So in place of x you have to substitute minus 2. So 6 into minus 2 plus 1. So plus into minus, minus 6 2s are 12 plus 1. Here we want to subtract. So 12 is greater 1. So minus sign. If you subtract means we get 11. So f of minus 2 equal to minus 11. Likewise we want to find the f of 6. So f of 6, that f of x equal to 3x minus 4, because in the third expression alone we have the number, that is 6. So f of 6 equal to 3 into 6 minus 4. So 3 6 3s are 18 minus 4, we get 14. So f of 6 equal to 14. Then we want to substitute in the fourth subdivision, that is 2 into f of minus 2 f of 6 divided by f of 4 plus f of minus 2. So 2 into f of minus 2, that is minus 11. Then minus f of 6 is 14 divided by f of 4 is 79 plus f of minus 2 is minus 11. Then we want to multiple. So plus into minus, minus 11 2s are 22 minus 14 divided by here 79 plus or minus minus 11. Here both the signs are equal. So now you have to add. So minus, if you add means 36 divided by 79 minus 11 means that is 68. So here possible to cancel the value, that is, so here you can cancel by the 2 table also, or otherwise straightly if you cancel means for the 4 table it will be possible, because 4 9 4s are 36. Then here 1 4 is 4, remaining 2 28, 7 4s are 28. So the answer is minus 9 by 17. Then you have to write the answer, that is 2 into f of minus 2 minus f of 6 divided by f of 4 plus f of minus 2, that is equal to minus 9 by 17. It is not possible to cancel, so alone I have stopped here. So this is your answer for the fourth subdivision. Okay, so students, today's session is over. Write your CW neatly and also see the video properly. Thank you.